Sometimes a party is more than just a party. Thunder Bay Regional Health Sciences Center is hosting a party that teens won't soon forget. The Preventing Alcohol and Risk-Related Trauma in Youth, or P.A.R.T.Y program, is an evidence-based international reality education program focusing on injury prevention and risk reduction amongst our youth. Unintentional injuries are the leading cause of death in our youth. These are not accidents. These crashes or collisions are 90% of the time both predictable and preventable. The hard-hitting P.A.R.T.Y program invites high school students to spend the day learning about the consequences of poor choices. Students hear from responders who deal with the aftermath of bad decisions every day. Police discuss alcohol and drug use and the effects on the body.
Decide for yourself, do I want to make a good choice or do I want to make a bad choice?
Paramedics talk about extrication and triaging patients at the scene.
Somebody that gets in a car accident that has neck pain, you get this, and you get strapped in. It's kind of gold standard to make sure that you're totally fine.
Students tour the trauma room where they witness exactly what happens to your body in a crash.
So I'm hoping that by being here today I can say something, even if it's a tiny little bit, of something that you take away that will help you make a good choice in your life.
Graphic videos showing the results of distracted or impaired driving are integrated throughout this program.
So, do you want to come on in?
The morgue tour hits home the reality that teenagers have been on that table far too many times. They enjoy a sponsored lunch followed by interactive impaired stations where they experience how their judgment and abilities are seriously affected by alcohol or drugs. In the afternoon, a physiotherapist and speech-language therapist help them understand firsthand how difficult rehabilitation can be, especially after a brain injury. We end the day with a presentation from an injury survivor who sustained a serious brain injury after a motor vehicle crash 20 years ago. He was not wearing a seatbelt and the driver was impaired.
I wear my seatbelt every time I ride or drive in a vehicle. I didn't know about my seatbelt.
His daily struggles are very apparent to all in attendance. The impact of this party is written all over these invincible young faces. We really want them to process what they've seen and leave here with the foresight to take safer risks and make smarter choices.
I will never do it. I think it's a crazy idea, especially how dangerous it could be, not even for yourself and the people in your car, but everyone around you, how you could affect them.
They have the power, and this is one party they won't soon forget.